A banquet waiter was carrying a heavy tray down back of house staircase. One single light bulb was burnt out. It didn't make the stairs pitch black, but it cast a deep shadow over the edge of a step. He misjudged his footing, tumbled down a flight of stairs, and shattered his wrist. A burnt out bulb isn't just a maintenance issue. It is a severe accident waiting to happen. Welcome back to the Hospitality Academy. I am Andrew. After decades in hotel operations, I built this channel to help you stay safe, stay compliant, and master your craft. Today, we are talking about adequate lighting. People think lighting is just about avoiding the dark. But poor lighting actually creates specific optical illusions that tricks the human eye. Let's break down the hazards hiding in our departments, the laws that govern us, and how to fix them. Before we talk about the hazards, we need to get our vocabulary straight. You need to know the difference between a lumen and a lux. Lumens measure the lights leaving the light bulb. But we don't really care about how bright a bulb is if the ceiling is 20 foot. What we care about is how much light actually lands on your cutting board, for example. That is measured in lux. Engineering measures this using a digital light meter. They must place it flat on your work surface, not hold it up in the air facing the lights. And now that we know how to measure it and what to measure, let's look at the 4 optical hazards that bad lighting creates on the floor. The first hazard is what we call transition blindness. A valet driving from the blazing sun into a dark parking garage temporarily blinds you for 3 to 5 seconds. You must pause to let your eyes' pupils adjust. The second hazard is shadow traps. Spas are kept dim to relax guests, but that shadow makes clear massage oil spills on a tile floor completely invisible. It is a massive slip hazard. The third hazard is screen glare. In the back office, bright overhead lights reflecting off your computer screen ruin your posture. You squint and hunch forward, causing chronic neck and back injuries. The fourth hazard is the strobe effect and color distortion. In a workshop, if a light flickers at the exact same speed as a spinning saw blade, your brain thinks that the blade has stopped and it's not moving. Reaching in causes instant amputation. With color distortion, poor lighting changes how colors look. Pulling the wrong wire because a green cable looks black in the shadows can take the whole hotel offline. Because human vision is tied directly to safety, proper workplace lighting is mandated across the country by UAE federal law and Dubai Municipality. Under ADOSH, a hotel walkway legally requires around 20 lux, but a procession area like our laundry spotting station requires 500 lux. Equally, you cannot do fine work safely under the general ceiling lights. You need a task lighting bolted right overhead your hands. So, how do you keep each other safe? First, we do proactive maintenance. Don't wait for a bulb to die. They lose intensity as they age. Change them early. Second, keep it clean. A thick layer of dust on a light cover reduces the brightness of a corridor by 30%. And finally, never walk past a flickering light. Log it immediately and report it. Now let's do a quick knowledge check. Where must engineering place a Lux meter to get an accurate reading? Is it A, place it flat on the actual work surface where the hazard is, or B, held high up pointing at the ceiling light? The correct answer is A. We do not care about the ceiling light or how bright it is. We care about the light hitting your workspace. If you're taking this for your official hotel compliance training, click in the quiz link below and score an 80% or above to pass. Keep your eyes open, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.